data transfer going on, and just woke up. It's close to 8 o'clock now, and this is the room that I picked up. All the stuff is messed up. This is the view. YouTube and all my subscribers and my friends. Here I am in Sonmarg. It's like around about 50-70 kilometers from Srinagar, and this is my room which I took. And guess the price of the room, just 500 bucks. So this is the view outside. It is right next to a river, in fact, and it was a quite tiring ride altogether. So as of now, I am getting ready to leave for Kargil, and most likely I'll be reaching Kargil within say a few hours.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue.
Basically, I came to this Sonmarg quite late. The reason why is because when we were entering Srinagar, there were like catching all the tourist and tourist vehicles, and they were not letting them go. So basically, the police, JNK police. So I happened to be at that time. I was riding with the entire group of Triumph motorcycles and stuff like that. So uh, basically what happened was they got all of them and put them inside. I mean, there was a gated community kind of a thing. Sorry, not gated community, rather it is a sort of like a storage area or somewhere. So they asked them to move their bikes inside, and then they said we will provide you food but you're not supposed to get out of here. So that is what had happened. And then after that, what I did was I somehow escaped. Rather, I just said that it is as per my. I mean, you are violating my own freedom by actually trying to make me sit somewhere where I'm not comfortable with, and at the same time I'm not. See, if there is some kind of a block or some kind of a legal problem or something happening in Srinagar, then at least you can tell us, at least tell me what exactly that is, and then try deciding what needs to be done. Rather, I would ride back from there and go through Manali route as well. But that didn't happen. So I just said that to hell with you. I'm going. And I wrote back. So the group was split up in two, wherein all the Triumph riders who were coming from Chennai, they were in one group. And the second group was Nikhil and his friends, a couple of his friends. So I went there and I told those guys that this is the issue. So let's either stay here or else we'll go there to, help those guys. So we rode back and we told, they argued and stuff like that, and somehow we managed to ride through Srinagar. And during this entire episode, I was split up because I stopped for water and I didn't eat anything at all yesterday. So basically, I was feeling a little too hungry, so I just ordered some sandwich and tea and water and stuff like that. And I sat, I ate and I drank, and then I left. So I was behind the group by a fair margin. And as soon as I crossed Srinagar, as it is quite crowded and stuff like that. Though I remember all the routes in and around Srinagar, I was easily able to catch up with the highway which we were supposed to take for Leh, which I did. And after that, it started raining and it was already dark. There was absolutely no way I could make it all the way to Kargil or Sonmarg because I was already very tired, and at the same time, I was somewhat exhausted, sleepless, so was feeling a little too sleepy, and I just wanted to take a break. So I took a room on the way, and I bargained and got the room for like 500 bucks for the day. And all this happened. I messaged Nikhil in the night stating that I have taken a room over here, and I could see that in WhatsApp he didn't receive the message. So I knew that most likely he does not have internet connection. So there is no point in actually trying to call him also because there was absolutely no way of communicating. So that will happen in Ladakh any which ways. So, anyways, I knew what their plan was. They were supposed to actually go to Kargil today. So, any which ways, I'm not really riding with that group. Rather, it is more of a solo ride. So, I'll be riding towards Kargil as well. So, in case I meet them up on the way, I'll definitely talk to them and have a little bit of biker moments and stuff like that. So, after that, I'll be leaving to Leh directly. If possible, I will reach Leh by night. If not, then I'll try searching for an accommodation in Kargil itself and see how things go from there. So as of now, ये है कहानी पूरी. ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं बताने को. Today I'll be again. Yesterday, what happened was my mic got screwed up completely because it was wet and it stopped working. So I took out the backup mic today. I'll be connecting that on my helmet and then I'll be talking to you guys. So yesterday hardly I did any kind of a vlog, moto vlog in fact, because there was no mic or anything. So today I'll be doing that. So let's see how things go. So it's around 10:30 right now, and I'm leaving all packing done. So this is the hotel that I was staying at. That's the name of the hotel. Hotel Lakeview. So I'll send you the location if in case required. Okay, this is all set to 0 and time to leave. And this is the view, by the way. Chalo ji.
guys, so I went like around 30 kilometers in front. This is, by the way, Sonmarg, and this is the last fueling station till Kargil. And if in case you don't fuel it over here, you will not get anywhere unless you want to buy fuel in black, which is going to cost you around 120 rupees per liter. So these are the small minor things that usually people don't see. ले लीजिए. So guys, this was the last petrol pump. As you can see, this is Bharat Petroleum. This is just before Sonmarg, and after this there is no petrol pump till Kargil. So in case you need to refuel or anything as such, please ensure that you do it over here, because आगे जाके कुछ है नहीं, पेट्रोल पंप तो है नहीं. क्या वो भैया? अच्छा, एक सेकेंड. आपके साथ कोई बाइक है? ना, मैं अकेला हूँ. ये लीजिए.
Sonmarg, I had to go back to refuel, and then I came back. It has already taken almost an hour, and I'm having bread toast and cup of tea, and I'll be heading towards Kargil. And once in Kargil, I'm not sure if I'll be continuing to Leh or not. However, if time permits, yes, I will.
Okay guys, so I just had a little bit of stuff, and now I will be leaving for Kargil, and there are plenty of bikers around. So let's go. That's a BMW GS and Ducati.